Cheers.
Cheers.
Just speechless. As soon as you get past the traffic, the trucks, the cars, then you got this. This is, yeah, absolutely breathtaking. Really fast corners, and the temperature's refreshing to say the least. But to say my visor doesn't go up, and every time I stop at lights in the heat of a day, it's been a hot day for me, so this is literally a breath of fresh air. This last little twisty section, we've only got maybe about 20 minutes left, but so slow, you know. There's not much room to overtake, so, and even if you overtake, there's another 55,000 cars in front of us we've got to overtake as well, so yeah, we've just got a very, very slow cruise to the hotel. It's absolutely been an epic day of biking today. Some great roads, some great empty roads, world-class riding. Got hydroponic gardening. I'm looking to finding out what these are, but it's covering the entire valley. Very suspect. Something's going on here. A lavender garden. Seems very popular. Hey, more traffic. Yeah, this is absolutely painful. So many nice little twisty corners. Really nice road. And then just too much traffic. And it's like pulling teeth. Oh goodness. Oh, here we go. Oh, he's off. What an overtake, am I? Go on, great truck. And then here we have it. Barless Chalet. Nice. Ooh. Well, I don't have much luck with biking in boots and shoes, and it's begun again. So I think what I'm going to do is hopefully get some duct tape, and these will survive until I get back to Thailand, fingers crossed. Hello.
You have a bar?
Bar, yeah. Just go straight through behind.
Straight through.
Yeah, up to the staircase behind.
Thank you. I'm definitely getting festive now.
Open for drinks? Yeah, why not? Yeah, excellent.
Perfect.
And dinner? Oh, yes, I think. Maybe just drink to begin with.
Maybe
To begin
food.
with.
Yes. And then we see.
One shot. Yeah, that's super tasty. You wouldn't really be thinking you'd be eating something like this after riding where we've been riding in the middle of Malaysia in the mountains.
No, not really. No, I was expecting Indian food tonight.
Took the best part of 5 minutes. Can't much checks off, but yeah, that's money well spent. Probably the strangest apple crumble ever. We show this, and then a nightcap, and a bed.